TikTok, how to clear cache. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can clear cache on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to clear the cache files on TikTok, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the TikTok application here. Once you launch a TikTok app, you will see this type of interface where what you need to do is make sure to tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Once you tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen, what you want to do from here is tap the three lines option from the top right and then go to the option called settings and privacy. Once you go to this option known as settings and privacy, you want to simply scroll down over here where you should be able to see the option called free up space. So now when you tap the free up space option here, you can see the cache files. So you can tap the clear option next to the cache files. Don't worry, clearing the cache files won't delete anything because they are just some of the temporary junk files. If you don't like your downloads, then you can also actually clear your downloads if you'd like. So this way you can go ahead and then clear cache on TikTok. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.